Hello 8th graders, I hope you had a great 2 weeks off and are ready to get back in the swing of things. I know this is going to be really different, it's going to be a try and try again kind of process, but we will get through it, okay? As we transition to online learning, I am going to refrain from using the calendar like I have been. I'm going to actually, if you go to Canvas and you go to my home page, it looks like this. I will be posting the schedule under class schedules. So if I click on this button right here, it will pop up this screen. This is the fourth quarter 2020 online screen page, okay? It will be posted, so week up. So this week is April 1st through April 3rd. These are the recommended videos to watch, and then this is the big ideas. This week is a review, okay? You can rewatch any chapter 4 video for help. It's going to be a review over chapter 4. We did this before Christmas break, but then we did some after Christmas break. This is the y equals mx plus b, the slope-intercept form, okay? That stuff is not going away. Next year is going to be even more about it, okay? So you will watch these videos, and then you will complete the big ideas. So how I have it listed is week, whatever week we're on, week of this date, and then the videos to watch, and then the activities you are required to do, okay? These may change later on, but the first week is what we're going to do. It's stuck in stone, okay? At the bottom it says all assignments are due on the following Monday. So if I assign something today, that means that it will be due the following Monday, okay? So that's more on my page. So ways to contact me. One way is you can always email me. But if you're going to email me over your stuff, I want to see your work, okay? I don't want just how do you do number 24. I want to see your work. I want to see how you did it, and then maybe I can tell you, oh, this is what you did wrong, and point it out, okay? So email me. If you don't get a question at all, then email me, okay? Another thing that I am going to use, if you go over here on your iPad, it will be the same, and you go to discussions. So if I click on discussions, there will be discussions here, and this will be at the top of your page actually, and it will say chapter 4 review big ideas week 1. So this is this week's question. So I'm going to click on that, okay, and then it says please post the number you have questions on big ideas below. Like the question that you agree with, I will post a video of me working through the most popular questions below. So if I had a question on number 5, let's say, I would click reply, I'd put number 5, and then I'd post reply, okay? From there, you are able to come in here and either like it. I had a question on number 5 also, so I'm going to like that one, okay? And then I will be posting a video of me going through those problems, probably on the discussion board itself, so you can check it, okay? I will not do every question, but I will do the majority. So, ways to contact me. There's the discussion board, there's the email, and then I may do some Zoom classes as we go forward, okay? But make sure you use it. If you have questions, let me know. I'm here. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Alright, I think that is all. I am super excited to get started today, and I will be talking to you. Thank you.